Sit down.
Someone needs to give me some help. We need some ties, man. Hey, we need some people to grab these freaking up. Hey, you keep your eyes on that man.
Go this way. Mexico, right here.
Let's go, go. Sir, excuse me. Move back. Move back. Move back. Back up, all of you, now! Stay back! Everybody!
At a higher rate than we saw in 2014. In Haiti, cholera is an enormous emergency.
And it wasn't long before rumours that UN Nepalese peacekeepers were involved led us to a base on the banks of the country's largest river.
What are you digging? Why are you digging here? Well, we're not being told exactly what's going on here, but it certainly smells like sewage. There are toilets right there, and the liquid seems to be draining into this river just a few meters away that flows into the nearby town of Mirebalais.
There was no official press conference, and since then, as in Haiti, there had been no further comment to the media.
Since the time of our report, our conclusions have been significantly strengthened. The Nepal strain of cholera was fully sequenced and compared to the Haitian strain. And when they did that direct comparison, it was found that of the 4 million base pairs in cholera, there was only one base pair that was different between the two strains. And in genetics, we consider that an exact match.
Et ministère lui-même, même l'elle qu'on elle te fait, il a toujours plaidé dit non, pas de faire. Parce que le peuple là, lui-même, son peuple, un petit peuple grand goulier, il est en connaît reste manger ministère bien, l'a journée pour manger, c'est tout normal, il capable pas révoler contre lui.